Draw Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. But before we get started, I had a little info that I wanted to share with you about Knuckles. Did you know that he is it's pronounced Echidna, but it's actually spelled E-N-C-H-I-D-N-A. But that is, I would say, Echidna, right? But it's actually pronounced Echidna. Hopefully I have that right. I Googled it. But echidnas are actually spiny anteaters. So that's pretty cool, right? That's what he's supposed to be. So hopefully that was an interesting fact for you to know. But I'm sure if you love Sonic, you already knew that. But that's just something new that for me to learn about. And so I'm really grateful that I learned something new today. And so get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw awesome Knuckles, let's first start by drawing a crease between his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a small curve and another curve going the other way. So kind of like a V, but at a curve right there. Then from there, I'm going to continue this curve down on both sides. So this is just right in the center of his face. So we're just going to create those two curves. From there, we're going to go up on this side. So we're just going to start to frame his eyes, go nice and high. Say about right here. We'll stop about right there. And then I'm going to come in right here, draw a curve, and come back right to this point right here. There, so we've created this big loop back. So same thing on the other side. We're going to go up. And I'm just going to drag this point across just to make sure approximate, so I'm not too off. And from there, I'm going to go out just like the other side. And then once again, come about right here, curve and bring in. There, so we've created the his eyes right here, the opening. And then now let's come back inside, and we're going to come about right here. I'm going to draw an oval. So say about right here, I'm going to come right down, close to the bottom, and then go up. Then let's come inside, and right on this edge, I'm going to draw a circle for a highlight, and then come in and draw another oval. And I'll shade this part in. And when you color, this is where the red is for his eyes. So let's do the same thing over here. So come right here, close to the bottom, go up for your oval. And once again, the highlight's going to be on this side now. So draw a circle on this side. And once again, shade this in. There, so we have his eyes in. So then now in between this area, right in the center, let's draw his nose. So I'm going to come right about here, draw a curve. And then just connect it at the bottom with a deeper curve. And I'll give it a little highlight at the top and shade everything else in. Then from there, let's give him his cool smile, frown, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to, let's see here, let's go across and then come down right there. Very cool, right? It's expression. Then cap it off. Okay, so then from there, now that we have that in, let's come to the side right here where his eyes are, and we're going to pop out his cheeks. So same thing on this side. So just kind of at the same level as his eyes. I'm going to come out right here, put in a curve, and I'm going to come underneath the mouth. Not too much, just a little bit, and then about there, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect at the bottom. About right here, and go up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go straight to the top right here. So let's find our center, go straight up high, nice big forehead. So let's say about, I'll just give myself a point, about right there. From here, I'm going to draw a curve. Like it's going to come down really close to that area, to the eye. So I just give myself a curve, and I'm going to come about right here. I'll just give myself a point here and here. And I'm going to direct this curve. And then come down. There. So it's a little bit higher like that, and then it straightens out a little bit, just to give it a little bit more definition. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his body first before we finish the rest of his hair. So I'm going to come about right here and here and give him some shoulders. So then I'm just going to come down for his armpit area, so about right here. Just giving myself a point, and from here I'm going to draw a slight angle inwards, just very slight, right in the center. Then from there I'm going to bring this down, and I'm straightening out a little bit, and say about right here I'm going to stop and come right in the center and just draw a curve right in the center. So this is his body area, and we're going to start his legs. So from here I'm going to come down on both sides at an angle. Then let's work on this side. So I'm going to bring this out. So notice I'm kind of curving out because he's standing with his feet apart. So about right there. And same thing over here. So about that much. I'll stop and draw a curve on both sides. From there, let's start to draw his feet. So now that we have this curve in, I'm going to come right here and just wobble. This is his socks. Wobble. And then right here, cut it off. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to come down right here, a slight angle. And this is going to come out for his nice big feet and curve. Then right in here, curve out in an angle and then connect to create his shoe. So same exact thing over here. Wobble and connect with a curve. And once again, just like the other side, curve and come out. So I just want to make sure I'm at the same level approximate. And in there. Then for some details on his shoes, let's come at the bottom right here. Give it a sole. Then we're going to come about right here with a curve. And then one here. And another one right here for some color. And then right here, I'm just going to add 4 circles just to simplify it for the metal part on his shoe. So same exact thing over here. Just give a sole. Then the curve right here. So this is just following the curve, and 4 circles. There. So we have his shoe in. Now we can finally draw his arms. So now we have this part in right here. I'm just going to have his arms come down to the side. So I'm going to curve it down. Nice and simple. Curve it down to about right there. I'll stop and connect. So same thing over here. So just curve it down to about right there. Same as the other side. Curve it down and oops, and connect. It looks so weird, right? Okay, let's give him some hands. So once again, just like his shoe, I'm going to wobble, wobble, and connect. So his big gloves. So let's come right here and totally simplify it. I'm going to come right here and give it 2 curves right there. Then this side comes out and connects. Then right here, just add a little curve. And since he is Knuckles, I'm going to put, I don't know if this part makes sense, but I'm just going to put those 2 little spiky things that are on his gloves. So then on this side, it's the same thing. Hopefully that makes sense. And connect. And once again, 2 big curves. And go out a little bit and then just connect at the bottom. And then the 2 spikes right there and a curve there. Okay, so then now finally we can draw his hair. So let's bring this down into this area, and same thing here. So then now let's give it some strand. So I'm going to come right here, imagine it coming through and continuing that, and then add another curve right there, and let's do the same thing over here. So coming through, give it a little wobble. Let's change it up a little bit. This one comes through, one strand, and then let's make this one really long towards the back. So let's go this way, about right here. So this is coming through right here, and it's going to pop out right here and in there. Hopefully I have everything. So just going to a little curve right there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Knuckles here turned out, and I was able to help you draw him fun and easy, and that you'll love him just as much as all the other Sonic the Hedgehog drawings that I've done so far. I have Sonic, I have Amy Rose, I have Tails. So definitely let me know in the comments below if there are other characters from this game or movie that you would love me to draw for you. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and the fun fact, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.